bentornati sul mio canale oppure benvenuti. Sapete che io sono Katie, questo è mio marito Connor.
Ciao ragazzi.
We're doing something today that we have been waiting to do for so long. What are we doing today, Connor?
We're going to find out the results of our dog Kiro's DNA test.
Woo! Now, of course, we know that he is 100% italiano perché abbiamo adottato lui qua in Puglia.
Sì, ma tutti ci chiedono che razza è e non sappiamo.
Diciamo un incrocio, un bastardino. Okay, so I asked the Quirky Club, my incredible Patreon community, what they think Kiro is. So we got some responses. If you want to join the Quirky Club, come on, join us. We have all kinds of fun. We do monthly live chats. They get exclusive monthly recipes. Hi, Quirky Club. How's it going? This is your exclusive video about something really cool and fun to do in Puglia. Bravi, bravi to those of you who guessed. Connor and I also have wagered.
Whoever's the least close has to give Kiro the bath next.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that's fair. Shake on it.
Deal.
I'm gonna win, so it's fine. So I think that he's got to have some black lab in him. So definitely some Labrador. And like, I think there's some German Shepherd in him, like in his face and his nose. Like I saw an all black German Shepherd once and I was like, oh, that's Kiro's papa. So like, I'm gonna go give or take half and half black Labrador and black German Shepherd.
I'm gonna say half black lab because Kiro's pretty skittish about like loud noises and he can get pretty nervous.
Very skittish.
So
lui è un fifone.
yeah, sì, fifone.
Abbiamo imparato una parola nuova.
Cane fifone. So that makes me think, because he's also smart but skittish, I think that border collie. And someone told me here there's like a breed called a Labrador, which is like half Labrador and half border collie, and it like, you know, it's kind of built like a lab, but it's got the floppy ears that Kiro has.
Yeah, he's got those orecchie molle. Okay, and for anyone who did not watch the video that we've already done about adopting Kiro, about 5 months ago now, we adopted Kiro from the local canile here, the local dog shelter. The first time ever that I went, I saw Kiro and I fell in love with him. And his name at the shelter was Kiro, and we kept it Kiro because he's just a Kiro. So he's about 2 years old. From what we know, he was born and raised in shelters. He didn't see much or any of the outside world until he joined our family, and we have taken him all around this great peninsula, and I'm sure he'll continue to do quite a bit of travel in his life with us.
How many dogs can say they've seen the Colosseum? Ours can.
How about the Pantheon? Oh yeah.
When my family, my sister and my mom and dad were here this summer, my sister brought us a doggy DNA test. So we swabbed Kiro.
Oh, you're so good, Kiro. You're so good.
We sent his spit back to the States to be analyzed.
And then you've gotten a few like updates via text or email.
Yeah, the service is pretty cool. They're not sponsoring this, but Embark, let us know if you want to work together in the future. It's called Embark. We just got the email that says his results are ready. So we haven't seen them yet.
Oh my gosh, it's time. Okay, so let's do it. What are we waiting for?
All right. Question 1 of 4. Does Kiro's breed mix include Eastern European village dog? What do you think?
I don't know what that means.
I don't know what that means. I'm gonna say
false.
We're pretty close to Eastern Europe.
Yeah, I was thinking that too.
False. We both said false.
Okay.
True. He's 82% Eastern European village dog. All right, so both of us are, maybe this explains a little why he looks or acts the way he does. Europe is the cradle of many dog breeds which were formed from free breeding village dogs living in Europe for many millennia.
What?
All right,
well,
so
we're failing at this already.
Looks like some of your patrons were just as fooled as we
Yeah,
were.
just as clueless. Makes me feel better. Thanks, guys.
Question 2, Labrador Retriever. True.
True.
True. Oh man, if it's not
Vero.
true, I'm gonna be
Come
bummed.
on.
False.
Die!
Oh my gosh. My whole life is a lie.
What? Our analysis traces of Labrador Retriever DNA in Kiro. Okay, I don't know if I believe it. What? No. Also, okay, what is this Eastern European village dog? That sounds made up to me. Okay, I'm
Does Kiro's breed mix include Maremma Sheepdog? No clue what a Maremma Sheepdog is.
Well,
but I'm gonna say yes because, well, we gotta just.
he doesn't just. Oh, he kind of herds. So sheepdog, he kind of herds.
Yeah, when he's scared, he tries to make you go back into the house.
Mm-hmm.
All right, that's it true.
Sure.
True. True. Maremma Sheepdog. 17.8% Maremma Sheepdog. Maybe this explains a little why he looks or acts why he does. Ancient livestock guardian dog breed known for their serious but affectionate nature.
Yeah, that is kind of him. He's a little goofy.
Fun fact, a Maremma sheepdog named Oddball was used in Australia to protect a colony of little penguins from foxes.
Now you know.
All right, last one. Does Kira's breed mix include Saint Bernard? No.
No.
No. False.
Okay, great.
Yeah, great. All right, let's see what it is. View breed results. Oh.
So it's exactly what was told to us in the quiz.
Yeah. Okay. So.
What? But this is a shock. This is a huge surprise. I can't believe it. What?
82.2% Eastern European village dog. 17.8% Maremma sheepdog.
I've never heard of any of these things. I was so confident.
Okay, there may be some small amounts of DNA from these distant ancestors. German
Shepherd. Okay, I do have a little leg up on you.
Rottweiler, Doberman Pinscher, and American Pit Bull Terrier. So no mention of Border Collie, so that means...
You're giving Kiro a bath. Bravo, Kiro.
Time for your bubble bath. Well, I guess now that we know he's not a Labrador, that kind of explains why he hates the water so much.
A big thank you, as always, to the Quirky Club, my incredible Patreon community. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. Link in the description box below, and they're the reason that I make these videos. So thank you again, Quirky Club. Hey! And subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Kiro would really appreciate it, and I would too. Don't forget to keep it quirky. Isn't that right, Kiro? Yeah?
Keep it quirky.
Keep it quirky.